Okay, I just finished my treatment and I'm waiting for the sensibility. When you're doing it, there's like big sharp pains on points of your teeth. Scooter's the way of the future. Love these things. The doc came to check me out. Killing two birds with one stone, as we say in English. But if you come to Colombia, you should learn Spanish.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I just finished my treatment and I'm waiting for the sensibility. When you're doing it, there's like big sharp pains on points of your teeth. I did it 2 years ago in Cali, Colombia. Right now I'm in Medellin. By the way, I didn't want to film before because I didn't want them to treat me different or anything like that. Not sure if they would have anyway, so I only filmed the second of two 15-minute long treatments. It's a little weird in my mouth right now because for the last 30 minutes, my mouth is squeezed open. So I took a photo at the beginning and at the end. I'm gonna compare them side to side. It was 650,000, which is about, there was two options. I chose for Zoom, 650,000, or the other one was 550,000 for the other option, but Zoom was quicker and I guess more effective. 30 más segundos. My question was though, with the more effective one, what are the dangers? Because if it's more effective, it's stronger. She said there wasn't any. I'm not sure if I, as a skeptic, I'm not sure if I believe that, but I opted for it anyways. 650,000, it's about 200 US, or the other one was like 170. And then if you pay in cash, 50K discount. Okay, so we are 1 day in. It's about 10 p.m. So I went the whole day. My teeth, they don't feel that like sharping pain like that happened 2 years ago, but they do feel sensitive. It's weird. It's hard to explain how they feel. They don't feel sensitive like if you were to drink a cold drink. That when you do that, the gums feel sensitive. By the way, my teeth looking whiter. They feel sensitive like at the edges. So anyways, I was given this toothpaste. This toothpaste. I'm gonna brush my teeth with it. And we'll see tomorrow how the sensitivity changes. Good night. Okay, it's day 2. How my teeth looking? They're not so sensitive anymore, though they feel different. And my tongue as well. I can't tell if it's my teeth or my tongue, but nevertheless, there's no sensitivity. I think they look wider, but you be the judge. Let me know. Was that a $175 well worth it? By the way, I don't know if I said this, but that cost included a cleaning and teeth whitening. And so after I get a cleaning, sometimes my teeth feel different because they scrape off all the gunk and whatnot. So that could be this feeling. Anyways, it's $175, teeth whitening and cleaning. Was that a deal or did I waste my money? You be the judge.